What's going on, YouTube? It's been a little bit since I've made a video about the since I've made a video, especially about the E36. It's a little discouraging. The last couple of videos haven't gotten very many views, so I kind of was close to giving up. But even if I'm not getting the views, I still do like the fact that I have this all documented. It makes me feel happy, so I'm gonna keep posting videos. So there's going to be probably a lot of stuff that is not in this video, but the car does run. It's not fully put together yet, but it does run. I'll give you a quick start real quick. It is very loud. There is no exhaust. So that runs. That makes me very extremely happy. So yeah, car runs. I am about to do some more stuff. I would like to drive this thing soon. I am off work tomorrow, so the transmission and everything is in. I still have to take out the back half of the GetTrag drive shaft and put the ZF drive shaft in. I also have to meet up with a buddy so we can trade diffs, because I do not want to drive on the 391 this year. So I'm getting rid of the 391, and then I got to put the rest of the front end together. My radiator will be here on Thursday, I believe. But I do have a good radiator that I will be using for right now, and I can easily just swap the radiator out at a later point in time. I just really want to drive this car. So tonight I'm going to get as much as I can done, and then my wife is going to be gone for a good part of the day tomorrow, and my son will be at school, so I will be free and I will be finishing it up. And my goal is tomorrow to take the first drive in this car with the new motor and everything being resealed, and find out if there's any leaks. I do have new coil packs. It has a little bit of a misfire, but there's no MAF, there's no exhaust on it right now, so that might go away once I put the new spark plugs and everything in. I just put the old stuff back in because it was the first fire up and there was a little bit of oil. I had some issues with getting it with a weird sound that's coming from it, so I had dumped some oil down each cylinder. So I put the old spark plugs back in, so I didn't foul up the brand new ones with the oil in there. But that's where we are, and hopefully here soon I'll be able to take this for a drive, and then it'll be all of the interior stuff after this. So the homemade chassis harness, wiring up the switch panel. My buddy Nick over at I Wing It, he made me a whole bunch of 3D printed panels that will be going in there, and I will be probably just JB welding those in, because I don't have a whole lot of bolting points with only having half of a dashboard. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I don't know if this is going to be a long or short video, because I'm not really going to record me putting a whole bunch of stuff together. Just kind of seems we're done at this point in time with how many views I don't get. So I know that I'm doing it, and if anyone wants to see how everything is done, leave a comment. I'll start putting in the how-tos for everything in there. But the car starts. We're one step closer. The drift event is May 22nd for Slush, and that is what I'm trying to make, seeing as I missed the first two events of the year.